Ready to add a burst of fresh, healthy flavor to your meals? Look no further than homegrown sprouts. Today, we'll show you how to easily grow delicious green bean sprouts in just 6 days. Firstly, we get green bean seeds which you can buy from a supermarket. For this example, we use half of a bag. The number of seeds depends on how many sprouts you need to have for each growing cycle. Then, we soak seeds in water for 24 hours. After 24 hours, all seeds are bigger because water is absorbed into seeds. Let's planting the sprouts. Align the bottom of your container with damp tissue paper. Spread the soaked green bean seeds evenly across the surface. To place the container on a tray, cover the seeds with another layer of damp tissue paper. Lightly mist the top layer of tissue paper with the spray bottle. Ensure there's a small amount of water at the bottom of the tray, but avoid overwatering. Finally, cover the tray with the black plastic bag. This creates a dark, humid environment ideal for sprouting. To place the covered tray in a cool, dark location. Day 3. You can start to see the sprouts emerging from the seeds. Continue misting the tissue paper daily to maintain moisture. This is the 4th day. You can see the good development of tiny sprouts. Day 5. The sprouts are growing longer and developing tiny leaves. Harvest time. Day 6. Your sprouts are ready to harvest. They should be around 1 to 2 inches long with delicate white roots. Remove the container from the bag. Gently rinse the sprouts under cool water. Pick off any remaining seed hulls. Congratulations! You've grown your own delicious and nutritious homegrown sprouts. Enjoy them fresh in salads, sandwiches, or stir-fries. We hope you love our content, so please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching.